If your chest is not growing and your arms still look flat, this workout will change everything. Today is chest and triceps day. Let's build a powerful upper body. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 1 of our workout split, and we're training chest and triceps. This is a perfect combo because every pushing movement for chest also hits triceps. So if you want a bigger chest, thicker arms, and better pushing strength, this workout is for you. Let's get started. First exercise, chest press. This is your main mass builder. Focus on controlled reps. Squeeze your chest at the top and don't lock your elbows. Go heavy, but keep the form clean. Next, incline press. This targets your upper chest, which gives your chest that full, lifted look. Lower the weight slowly. Press up strong and really feel the upper chest working. Now we move to cable fly. This is for shape and definition. Keep a slight bend in your arms. Stretch the chest and squeeze hard in the center. Remember, control the weight. Don't let the weight control you. Now it's time for triceps. First exercise, triceps pushdown. Keep your elbows locked to your sides and fully extend your arms at the bottom. Your triceps should be on fire here. Last exercise, overhead triceps extension. This hits the long head of the triceps and helps build thicker arms. Slow reps, full stretch, full squeeze. Train like this consistently. Eat enough protein, and I promise, your chest will grow and your arms will get bigger. Don't forget, form first, ego last. If you like this workout, hit the like button, subscribe for more training plans, and I'll see you in day 2. Back and biceps. Let's get stronger.